So, hi everyone, and welcome to February. Last February, when we had our subscription service, I set out a Valentine plan for them, which now that it's a year later, I'm going to share with you. So, basically, what we offered was a Valentine printout, and you can see it's pretty simple here. And I bought little tiny heart candies, and we put a heart candy, a chocolate, in the middle. And then there's two spots on the back for your personal pricing for holiday specials. If you wanted to do couples, if you wanted to do a 90-minute, or it says Valentine's special 1 hour here, and then you could put your pricing here. And this card was available for printout or to purchase, which it still is. I still have some of these. And basically what I did was I created a script that said, you put the chocolate here, and then you take this to an office. And again, if you are familiar with my philosophy on offices, you don't just walk in and throw cards on the counter. You make acquaintances with either the receptionist or the human resource department or a manager, somebody from the top down who you can get access to a lot of people. And you go, hey, Miss Receptionist, I brought you some chocolate, and they will love you for it. And then you have an in. That's not no soliciting. You can get in and give them this little card. And of course, you have room for your business information. So you can do this with the cards that I have on Patreon, which you can download if you join at the $7 price. You can download this card. Or if you are creative, you can go to Walmart, where I got just some random Valentine's cards and then threw them in my printer and copied them onto cardstock. And then you would have a blank, of course, on your cardstock, and you could do the very same thing. Like I said, using that little tiny script, which I will have outlined for you in the Patreon $7 membership. So for the $7, you could actually have a Valentine program that would get you clients in the door. And then, of course, you would be responsible to rebook them once you got them in. But you could probably book quite a number of people between now and Valentine's Day with this coupon and actually run your Valentine's special through February 29th this year. How fun is that? Or you could do a leap year special. That would be fun. Maybe I'll look into that. But you can run that special through Valentine's so that they may have to purchase it now, but they can book through February to get that deal. And like I said, I will have all of this stuff in detail available for you. With a simple $7, how much easier could that get? So you can take the information yourself, create a little script, and go out and get some clients. And remember to take your planner with you. If you're not familiar with how to use your planner, then go ahead and get the videos done. Let me see if I can get to my February. I bought a littler one this year, so it's not as big as it used to be, but my recommendation is an 8.5 by 11. And you can see I have some highlighted spots when I would do massages, and go ahead and get them filled in. Here's some more highlighted spots with some people in it. So then you could say you hit that fear of missing out. Oh no, if she's starting to fill up, I better get on her schedule. And again, I have detailed videos of that. So anyway, that is what I have to talk about today. Go ahead and let me know what you think about Valentine's. If you're going to run a Valentine's special, I personally don't like couples. I don't think couples massage is very practical, but again, that's my office, not yours. So anyway, here's your Valentine's tip, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.